at the famous Lorelei having lunch. Here's our little seat where we're sitting. There's Nellie. We're right on the water. Hi, Nellie. And we're right here. Here's the water. I wonder if there's any fish in there. Right here. Oh, there's little fish in here. I see little ones. They swam away when they saw me. Nice view for lunch. Look at this bird at our restaurant we're eating. See, here's a table, here's some seats, and here's this bird. This white heron. Right here. Right standing on the back of the bench here to sit on is this heron. Pretty big. It's got to be at least 3 feet, 3.5 feet tall. And this is where I was sitting. I decided to move.
Need something to dry that seat because it's wet. Okay, come on.
He didn't like the dog.